how to fix if apps crashing on Samsung A08. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, click on settings app, go back, again click on settings app, go back, open app, go back and close. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time. Click on restart. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, again click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. Click on reset and reset all settings. Enter phone pin, click on continue. Again tap on reset. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.